소상권이 있거든요. 와, 배고파 죽는 줄 알았어. 셋.
도넛은 이거 하나야?
그래?
나눠 먹게.
안 나눠 먹어. 나 혼자 먹어.
나 여기 있어? 이거 봐. 아니 저게 꼈는데도 안 될 수도 있으니까 컴퓨터가.
아니다.
램은 이베이에서
나가 잊어버리면 또 나 욕 먹잖아. 램을 시켰더니 스케일이 왔어?
삼성 거.
샘숭.
아 여기 써져 있네. 맥북.
그래 그거야. 맞았잖아.
근데 내게
Trust me.
더 이전 건데 여기 써져 있는 거보다.
무조건 돼. 기계는 무조건 껐다 키면 되는 거야. 안 맞는데? 진짜로 농담하는 게 아니라 이 사이즈거든. 안 맞아. 이거 아니야. 이거 봐. 왔고 안 맞잖아.
근데 뭘 맞대?
안 맞아. 아씨.
너무 안 심한데 오빠?
그래도 안 심할 거.
Staring out the window, reaching for a North Star, waiting just to wake up from this nightmare where you could be right back in my arms, dancing to the limbo, stuck here in the middle. You tell me that it's simple, but I could paint 1,000 different pictures of what is wrong. But if we turn the clocks back a couple dials, we should throw them out, because time ain't ours, oh, but you fill me up and I can feel it now. Like a camel through the needle, everyday people are just 1,000 versions of who they were. So love me like we're equal, 'cause if there's no sequel.
Give you perspective, and I believe one of the three things you're supposed to never talk about with people is money, right? And I've done it 15, 20,000 times. So there's a lot of things to these different locations. So then all of a sudden you see a fundraiser coming up or somebody's in need. It's like, hey, that's in my giving account. I'm just going to write a check for that. Or, hey, I'm going to be investing now into a Roth IRA. I've been putting a couple $100 a month.
Plus taxes and insurance, but your actual interest payment or principal and interest payment is about $850 a month on that mortgage. Okay, okay, plus taxes and insurance. If you drop it to a 15-year loan, right, you're paying $1,360